Okay, so what I mean when I'm talking about bearish going against the trend, that's what I'm talking about. So right now on the weekly, this is technically still bullish because you had higher low, let's see, higher high, higher low. Price is currently bullish on this thing, right? Weekly is bullish, we can agree on that. Go down to the daily. Daily is still bullish. So you had high, higher low, market structure, I guess, yeah, market structure, whatever. Higher high, higher low. Price is bullish on the daily. Okay. So even though price is bullish right now, if I've been watching this over the weekend, I would have looked to get in here. I wasn't paying attention yesterday, but my original entry point would have been here, where the EMA bounce happened and price reversed. But because I didn't get that, I'm looking for something else this week. So the 4 hour, I'm expecting, because we just had the bounce and the rejection, we came up here, right? This is a decent AOI because you have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. If you go further left, it's the same thing. It's the same story at that point. You know, there's plenty of resistance points here, 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 and here. So to me, I'm coupling that with the fact that this looks like a head and shoulder is about to be formed. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder here will form. So I'm hoping the EMA holds. If the EMA doesn't hold, the stop's tight, it's 13 pips, whatever. It's not a big deal. This is what I mean by counter trend. So the daily, the weekly are bullish. I'm looking to go short at a lower high point for me. So this is a lower high for me. Because if I'm looking at this like this, price has been bearish the whole time. Boom, lower low, lower high. You get what I mean? That's what I mean when I'm saying like you look for those structure points to go against the trend. Now this could very well wick right through and come up here, you know? And again, that's why the stop is pretty tight. And I wouldn't normally take a trade like this if I didn't miss this part, like I said, because I was watching this on the weekend. So we closed the market here. This is what I was waiting for, to see these rejection candles, but I didn't like the fact that there were hammers on the wrong side. So for me, this isn't a good sign for support, which is true because price opened up and it went down, right? Price closed below the support line. So for me, that's a negative indication that I can't take this trade for long. But price came reversed on fucking Monday, which is, I didn't see this. If I saw this candle and this bullish engulfing, this is at 5 a.m. Yeah, I wouldn't have saw this. That's why. Anyways, I'd much rather take the trade from here and ride it up, because your stops are pretty much the same at this region. Once you take the engulfing, so you waited for the engulfing to happen, then you got in on the break back down of the retest to that line, like here. So when you have like, that's what I mean when you wait for the 30 minutes to change or the 1 hour to change. It looks better than the 30 minute though. So the 30 minutes been bearish this whole time. Bearish. You found a low here, right? So price is bottomed out, and then you start to have the move back up. So where you have the engulfing candles taking place, technically we had change of structure at this point here. This candle was our change of structure. So price is going bullish. You wait for it to break out of the zone. So you could even use that stupid fucking pendant flag bullshit here if you wanted to. I really don't like using it because I don't find them as accurate, because you can like manipulate the fucking lines to play with the bodies and the wicks and all sorts of stupid shit. But some people like this. I really don't for that reason. But anyways, you could use the same thing. Price is in a downwards flag pattern channel. Wait for price to break out. Then you have a change of structure. Same thing on the candles though. Same thing I said, candles broke out. Wait for it to find a top. Once you see that pullback, no matter how minor it is, that's where you get in. So you'd look to get in on this candle here, where you have the pullback down. You can have your stops tighter too, but I wouldn't normally do that. I'd let it ride a little longer. But yeah, that's what I mean.